hit the club and dance like a stripper. Ain't got a nigga,
Yeah,
I'm throwed on that liquor. I'm about to hit the club
You know I'm down,
and dance like a stripper. Dance like a stripper and dance like a stripper. I'm about to hit the club and dance like a stripper. Ain't got a nigga, I'm throwed on that liquor. I'm about to hit the club and dance like a stripper. Dance like a stripper and dance like a stripper. I'm about to hit the club and dance like a stripper.
First she South Dallas swag, then she threw it back. The way she took that ass made me wanna throw a stack. Her nigga made her mad, probably her baby dad. I just walked up on her with this oh so crazy swag. She turned that thing backwards like the R's on my shirt. They see the road collection and the bras go berserk. Only difference in the stripper is that y'all go to work. Now y'all go to work, but y'all go to sleep.
Ain't got a nigga, I'm throwed on that liquor. I'm about to hit the club and dance like a stripper. Dance like a stripper and dance like a stripper. I'm about to hit
Well, people been telling me you've been going around saying we're in a relationship or something.
Well, I didn't mean it like that, but
I just want to let you know that, I mean, I'm not your man and you're not my girl. So, I mean, just know what we is.
I know, so what are you trying to say?
Well, I don't think you know, because, I mean, according to Facebook, you're telling people we're in a relationship. That's not what it is. So
what is it?
I got a girl.
You got a girl? What do you mean, like a friend?
I don't want to see you no more.
You don't want to?
Just can't.
Excuse me? Ray Vaughn, I've been here since day one. You trying to play me like I'm some hoe? I've been faithful to you. Like, why would you do that to me?
Well, I mean, not my girl, so.
So you're just dog me like that?
I ain't got time to hear this right now.
It's fine. You know what? That's what I need to say to you. I'm pregnant, so
It ain't mine.
I don't care if you go tomorrow. Cause you know what? Who is she? Ray Vaughn! You better not leave me! Who is she? You know what? I'm so tired of you. It's
I don't
fine.
care.
You know what? I don't care
I don't want nothing to do
either.
with you.
Whatever.
Your baby, your little crack baby.
It's not a crack baby. It's your baby. I freaking hate you.
And TurboTax. We know that.
From the get-go, it was apparent that Oz had an imbalance of musical knowledge.
Lori, Ray Vaughn has a girlfriend, so stop calling his phone. And if you, excuse me? You know what? You can come up here right now because I have a problem with you, and he has a girlfriend, so you need to stop talking to him and texting him, okay? Thank you. I got it. Yes.
Hey, babe.
You, what? What
is you still doing here anyways?
What are you talking about? Oh, I'll leave. I'm his girlfriend.
His girlfriend?
Yes.
No, you're not.
Yes, I am. I'm pregnant. So
listen, you need
that's
to go.
Your boyfriend. He'll
You gotta
leave
get out.
anyway. So, you know.
You gotta
I'll
leave.
get out, but you know what? We're still having this baby, so think about the name when I come back.
Well, just because you have his baby don't mean he wants you.
That ain't my baby.
He's gonna have me
You
anyway.
quit fucking her?
That's the
Yes,
hood
every
baby.
day. Liar.
That's the hood baby.
No, it's your baby. And we're gonna go on Maury and prove it.
I ain't going no damn more.
You're going on Maury.
Yes, you are.
Shit.
I'm gonna leave it.
On today's show, we have a very special guest named Tracy. Everyone welcome Tracy to the show. Tracy and her boyfriend, Ray Vaughn, have been together for the past 5 months.
Yeah, 5 whole months, and he trying to deny my baby? He's tripping.
Tracy says that she's pregnant by Trayvon, and Trayvon doesn't want anything to do with the baby.
And he's gonna take care of the baby today. That's why I'm on your show, Marty. But my name is Tracy, and I'm 2 months pregnant with Ray Vaughn's baby, and I'm here today because he's gonna take care of this baby. I don't care what he say. I brought my sister with me.
My name Marquisha. I don't care what he says. That is his baby, and if he don't take care of it, I will beat his ass.
We will today.
I will put a brick in his window. Keep playing.
You're gonna help me and prove it that this is his baby, and you're gonna take care of it. So you're gonna be paying child support.
Let's welcome welcome Bone Quisha, aka Baby D, to the show.
Hey! Hey, sis.
Hey.
Bone Quisha, how do you feel about the situation?
Well, I feel that this nigga needs to take care of this damn baby. Because it is his. He will be paying child
Okay,
support.
let's calm down.
I'm sorry, Maury.
Maury, no, you don't understand. This man tried to deny my baby in front of his little girlfriend. That's why he denied her, because he had a girlfriend. Because if he wasn't here, he would still be with
And
her.
I caught them fucking in my bedroom.
Like every day, Maury. Come on now.
Yes, I said my bedroom.
My name Ray Vaughn, and this crazy hoe Tracy keep on trying to blame her baby on me, but I ain't even with her. And she telling everybody we're in a relationship. I got a girlfriend. Here go my girlfriend right here. Her
I'm
name
his
Lauren.
girlfriend. I don't know why this crazy bitch Tracy is claiming that she's pregnant by him. Bitch, y'all wasn't even together. Me and him been together all the fucking time. She really needs to calm down, Maury. It's really getting out of control. I don't even know what to do about this girl anymore.
She better chill before Lauren had to step in her ass, because we ain't got time for this shit
And
no
her
more.
big ass sister.
Nah, I mean,
I
and
don't
her big
give a
ass sister baby D with
I
her
don't
ratchet
give a
ass
fuck.
purple wig.
I don't give a
The
fuck.
fuck?
I don't. What's your call woman?
Okay, let's now welcome Ray Vaughn and his girlfriend Lori to the stage.
Boo!
Shut up.
Girl, don't you start.
How you
I'm
doing,
talking to you.
How you doing?
Don't make me get out!
I'm gonna go back to that. You know what?
Sorry.
Don't make me
I'm
get
doing
out!
your little fake ass girlfriend. You just put me last night. Oh, you got a girlfriend? You better check
All
him.
these black people always on my show. Ratchet, sit your asses down.
Maury, I'm sorry. I
sit
usually don't act like this. I'm class.
I'm sorry.
These bitches over
We
here, they the real
classy.
ghetto ones.
We classy,
We
yeah.
are not ghetto. Who you calling ghetto?
Bitch, you
Get your bitch. Get your bitch.
Sit down somewhere. Yo, sit down.
Sit down. Let's calm.
Anyways, how you doing, Maury?
Alright. Ray Vaughn, we've asked you some questions.
You're
He lied.
Stop, bitch. You ain't even talking to you.
No, Maury, I'm sorry.
Ray Vaughn, we asked you when was the last time you've been with Tracy.
Yeah, and I answered.
Your response was 3 months ago.
Exactly. That's the truth.
However, we also asked Tracy the same question, and her response was only a week ago.
Because this bitch is lying.
Okay.
The lie
let's see.
detector test determined
That she's
Tracy
lying.
was telling the truth.
What? Yeah.
That's how it is.
I'm not. I wasn't sure.
Don't be mad. Don't be mad now. Don't be mad because you was my sister.
It's okay. She's just mad because I'm a liar.
Fuck it. You know what? I don't give a fuck. You can have that ratchet ass bitch. And I
Oh,
love you, that
you
bitch.
just hit me with security.
Remember, Tracy is carrying a baby.
I am.
You're not.
Keep that in mind.
It ain't his.
But your boyfriend's lying. How would you know that? He's
Cause you
cheating
a
on me.
hoe.
Shut
You-
up,
I'm a
bitch.
Bitch, watch your fucking mouth.
Shut up,
bitch.
I would have been you with me last night.
But I wasn't.
Shut up.
Stop stressing. Stop
Okay.
stressing.
Ray Vaughn, we asked, do you still have feelings for Tracy?
I want to hear this.
You said no. The lie detector test determined you were telling the truth.
Okay. Better not.
That's the only
Let
thing
me
you said
find
was
out.
true. The only thing you said was true.
I wouldn't have feelings for this bitch either.
Next
I
question,
don't know what
Maury.
the fuck I was
Whatever.
thinking.
Next question, Maury.
Our final question of the show. When it comes to Tracy being 2 months pregnant, Tracy, you aren't even pregnant.
You lied.
Bitch, just forgive me. No.
I'm about to hit the club and dance like a stripper. Ain't got a nigga.
Yeah,
I'm on that liquor. I'm about to hit the club
You know I'm down
and
for
dance